Ever heard of Esther Lederberg, who did incredible research into genes, only for her husband to win the Nobel Prize? Or Vera Cooper-Rubin, who many believe was overlooked for her work in discovering dark matter? Women make up 47% of the total workforce, but account for just 14% of engineers. And the work these women do often goes unrecognized. Grand Central is known for the constellations on its ceiling depicting mythical heroes. We decided to transform them. Instead, we wanted to depict real heroes, women scientists to look up to.
The famous celestial ceiling at Grand Central Terminal getting a little transformation this week.
It's called The Unseen Stars. General Electric sponsoring the project. It features 12 notable women.
These unseen stars are finding cures for cancer and developing new paths for clean energy. The project was part of GE's Balance the Equation initiative, their goal of hiring 20,000 women by 2020. People quickly shared the show, treating these women like the heroes that they are. The Unseen Stars honored female scientists whose ideas changed the world and inspired future generations to follow in their footsteps.